Mike, that ain't your shit either.
I'm not gonna break it, nigga.
I don't care. You'll mess it up.
Man,
Especially not like the BMX.
Oh, get it. Oh, you can't do.
Get your.
Jigsaw.
Wait, nigga, let me do some hydraulics on that bitch.
Just slow ass out the way.
I'm not fat.
Look at Larry Boot.
Hey, nigga, I could touch the football thing.
I can touch the rim at Hawthorne.
Rim? That shit easy.
I'm nearly dunking. I'm nearly dunking.
I could touch it at Buck.
I'm almost dunking.
Wait. Me too. These niggas couldn't even touch it. Lady tried to touch the football thing.
Oh man, freaking the little field goal thing.
Yeah.
Our shit high as fuck.
Our shit little. Our shit low.
Hey, what do you want?